नामेशिया बाइंग के ऊपर 98 मिलियन दिरहम मेरा एड स्पेंड है।
वन कल्चर कि यार आपको जो एक्सवाइजी सैलरी दे रहे हो उससे
स्टिल अभी मतलब बहुत सारे लोगों ने ज्वाइन किया।
Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today the topic of our discussion will be, as you've already seen into the description, our topic of discussion will be how to buy a domain name through Namecheap.com. So Namecheap basically is a domain registrar and hosting provider, and many more services they offer. So today we are only gonna discuss about how to buy a domain name through Namecheap.com. So firstly, if you are a new user, they offer promo codes. So and the price of the domain will be, I think, around $6 to $7 just for the first year, because if you're a new user. So let's just hop into the screen. Before hopping into the screen, make sure to like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel, like my video, share my video. So okay, let's go. Namecheap.com, login. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna click on this link. If you want to go through Namecheap.com, basically it will be much more easier, but we can search through this. So before searching for the domain name that you want for your business or anything else, or for your brand, so just before starting that, there is an affiliate link into the bio. I would recommend you guys to buy your domain through that link, because if you buy your domain through that link, we are gonna get the commission, right? So let's just say if you're searching for xyz.com. Let's search this. It's a simple and easiest way. You can search for the search bar, and it's because this domain is already taken. So this domain is already taken. If you want to make an offer, if that domain is available, you can make an offer for that. If you want to search for your business, it's like digital marketing agency. It's up to you. It's up to you guys. You can search for it. You can go for that. Let's just say I'm searching for digital marketing agency. Just an example. It could be anything. It could be a keyword. I think this domain might already be taken, but let's see. So yeah, this domain is available, and for the first year you're gonna get this domain for like $4.98. Basically it's just an example to teach you guys how to buy a domain name through Namecheap. This video is for those persons who already don't know how to buy a domain name through Namecheap. For those of you who already are aware of buying a domain name, so you can skip this video. You can add this domain to your cart. So it's just a simple checkout process. You're gonna enter your card details, and you're gonna confirm the order. You're gonna add your address, billing address as well, because it's a must thing. So you're gonna confirm your order, and then bam, your domain will be in your account. So that's all from now from my side. So how to buy a domain name through Namecheap. So make sure to like, share and subscribe this video. Stay tuned for more videos. Thank you so much.